have got one entry fee, entry ticket, and you have got €4 coupons. One euro 2 coupons and 50 cents 4 coupons. Now, whenever you come as a customer, I am telling you as a customer. Whenever I come as a customer, I will obviously spend first €4 there. If not, if I want more coupons, then I have to go to ticket counter. There will be ticket counter. You have to show your entry ticket. No. There will be ticket counter. The person name will be revealed on that day. There will be ticket counter. That's all. So ticket counter will be there. You have to show your entry ticket first, and then only you will get the new coupons. The reason is that we will not be able to identify the fresh person and the person who has registered earlier. So entry ticket is important. That's as a customer, and then you can keep on continuing with that. Once you are done with your everything, and whenever you want to exit, and if you have some coupon left with you, while going on the ticket counter, you have to give the coupons back, and similar amount will get back to you. That's for the customer. Now for the food stall owners and for the game stall owners, you can come to us to the ticket counter half an hour before the event starts and ask for the change coupon, like 50 cent and €1 coupon. In that case, if somebody gives you €1 and your item is 50 cent, you will be able to give them 50 cents back. On that day, before half an hour to ticket counter, you have to come and get the change. Is that clear? Any questions? Sarang was having this question. Is that okay? We will open a new set of fresh coupons on that day. Those will be circulated on that day. Okay? Please don't lose your existing coupons. That is mandatory now.
But there is no difference between these blank coupons and the coupons that are already sold.
Exactly.
All the same.
Exactly. All the coupons are same. €1 coupon is €1 coupon. 50 cent is 50 cent. That's all. The only thing we are differentiating between pre-booking coupons and the post means actual coupons, just to make the difference. Otherwise, there is no difference. We have marked. Okay. By the way, there was a question. What if the duplicacy has happened? Exactly. There is a solution for it. By the way.
Don't reveal the solution.
Okay. No. Okay. No. By the way, security is there. There is enough watermarks are there. And second important thing, there will be count and your name. That's why we are taking the name and we are tearing the sheet off. If we find a single number repeated, we will catch that person.
See, but I think this